Learn English easily. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications for our latest videos. A day in the life of a market supplier. Every day, before it even starts to get light outside, I wake up for my job. I supply fruits to the local market, and this job requires me to get up early and work hard. But I like doing it. It makes me happy to see my fruits at the market. My day is all about being on time and ensuring I bring the freshest fruits to the people who buy them. When the first light of the sun starts to color the sky, I am already in the orchards, which is where the fruit grows on trees. I have to pick the very best fruits. I look for apples that shine bright red, oranges that are just the right mix of sweet and a little sour, bananas that are soft and creamy inside, and mangoes that taste like they soaked up all the sun. My hands know exactly what to do because I've been doing this for a long time. I pick and choose the best ones and ensure they go into my truck. I do this because I want everyone at the market to get the best fruits that taste good and are healthy. It's a big job, but I know it well. When I choose the fruits, I look at them closely, touch them, and sometimes even smell them to make sure they're just right. This way, when you eat them, they're delicious and full of goodness. After I pick the fruits, I must hurry to the market. I must get there fast so the fruits are still fresh when they arrive. While I drive, I see the city waking up. The streets are quiet at first, but soon they get busier as people start their day. When I reach the market, it's like the whole place is buzzing with energy. People who sell things are getting their stalls ready, moving boxes around and talking to the first customers who come early to get the best stuff. It's a busy, exciting sound, like music made by people buying and selling. Then, I start to unload my fruits. I'm proud of how they look on my stall, like a big, colorful treasure chest full of nature's goodies. Each fruit has its journey, from being a tiny seed to ending up in someone's home. I think about all the work it took to grow them and get them here, and it feels good to see them all displayed, ready for customers. The market is a pretty place, full of different colors and smells. You can see bright oranges, red apples, yellow bananas, and lots of other colors. And the smells. It's like walking through a garden. All this beauty comes from the hard work of people like me and many others. It's a place full of life, where every fruit and every scent tell a story of care and effort. All day long, I get to meet lots of different people at my fruit stall. It's like my little world of friends and stories. For example, there's Mrs. Garcia. She comes every single day to buy bananas. She says her kids love them for breakfast. It's a small thing, but it makes me happy to know her kids start their day with something I supplied. Then there's Mr. Chen. He owns a restaurant, and he's very picky about his oranges. He checks each one to make sure it's just right. He says the taste of his dishes depends on how fresh the fruits are. I respect that. It shows he cares about his food and his customers. I also see new people all the time. Some are tourists who stop by because they're curious about all the different fruits we have. They're excited to try things they can't find where they live. I enjoy showing them around, letting them taste a slice of apple or a piece of mango. It's fun to see their reactions to new flavors. But selling fruits is more than just business to me. It's about the stories we share. Sometimes I tell people how to know when some fruit is just perfect to eat, or I explain the difference between two kinds of apples. Other times I listen. Someone might tell me about a memory they have, like how the smell of peaches reminds them of their grandma's garden. Or they might share how a dish they made with my mangoes was a big hit at a family dinner. These moments of talking and sharing are special to me. It's not just about fruits. It's about connecting with people, learning a bit about their lives, and maybe making their day a little brighter. That's the best part of my job. As the day at the market comes to an end and the shadows get longer, it's time for me to start packing up. I take care of any fruits that didn't sell today. I make sure they're stored in a way that keeps them fresh. I don't like wasting anything, so I'm careful with them. Some of these fruits I'll give away to people who need them, and others I'll sell for a cheaper price tomorrow. Packing up is a quiet time for me. I am tired after a long day, but I also feel really good about what I've done. It's a moment for me to think about everything that happened. I think about the people I met, the stories we shared, and how my fruits are a small part of their lives. It makes me proud to know that my work does more than just fill stomachs. It touches hearts, brings back memories, and helps make new friends. Yes, my job is tough. It takes a lot of effort to do what I do, but it also means a lot to me. It feels important. And as the night comes, with the moon shining in the sky, I feel ready to rest. I know tomorrow I'll get up and do all of this again. It's like a circle that keeps going, with nature and caring for others at its heart. I close my eyes, happy and ready for the next day's adventure.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.